Good morning everyone. I am Vasanta from EC department. Today we are going to discuss about PN junction diode. We are already discussed about P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor. The applications for single P-type semiconductor and single N-type semiconductor are very limited. That's why we are going to mix a P-type semiconductor with N-type semiconductor. How to combine these two different types of semiconductors? We are going to use a special fabrication technique, and by using this technique we'll combine the P-type semiconductor with N-type semiconductor. After combining a P-type semiconductor with N-type semiconductor, there will be a junction is formed, and that junction is known as contact surface junction. Now, what is a diode? So, as the die implies 2. So, diode is a two-terminal device, and it allows the conduction of current, it allows the flow of current in only one direction, and in other direction it opposes the flow of current. Now we are going to mix these two terms, PN junction and a diode. So we can simply say that PN junction diode is a two-terminal semiconductor device which is used to allow the flow of current in one direction and opposes the flow of current in another direction. So we can simply say that PN junction diode can be used as a conductor in one direction and it used as a insulator in another direction. Now we can see the symbol of PN junction diode. It has two terminals, one positive terminal and one negative terminal. So positive terminal is in the side of left side, which is known as P-type semiconducting material, and in the right side we are having negative terminal, and this is connected to the N-type semiconductor material. And there is a arrow mark indicated in the symbol, and that arrow marks shows that it shows the flow of current. So as the arrow implies, in this direction the current flows. Coming to the depletion region, when we combine a P-type semiconductor with an N-type semiconductor, there will be a layer is formed that is known as depletion region or depletion layer. We already know that in an N-type semiconductor, what are the majority charge carriers? Electrons are the majority charge carriers and holes are the minority charge carriers. Similarly, in a P-type semiconductor, holes are the majority charge carriers and electrons are the minority charge carriers. And in this picture, there is no external supply is connected here. So we can say that this is known as PN junction diode with no bias condition. There is two another different bias conditions. Those are PN junction diode with forward bias condition and PN junction diode with reverse bias condition. Now this is a PN junction diode with forward bias condition. So we'll simply connect a positive terminal to the P-type semiconductor side and a negative terminal to the N-type semiconductor side.